Previously, we explored the energy consumption analysis. Today, we're diving deep into one of the RV's most crucial systems, the power system.
Now, to keep all appliances running smoothly, a powerful electrical system is essential. Let's start with the battery bank. This vehicle is equipped with 4 LiTime 12-volt 100-amp slim batteries connected in parallel, forming a 12-volt 400-amp 5,120 watt-hour battery pack. Despite their slim 2.36-inch profile, 1/3 the thickness of lead-acid batteries, they deliver full performance. This ultra-thin design creates extra storage space in compact RVs. Key features include built-in 100-amp BMS with low temperature protection and IP65 dust water resistance, ideal for tight spaces in RVs, solar setups, and marine use. Now let's explore the charging ecosystem. This system offers 3 replenishment methods: shore charging, 14.6 volt 40 amp AC/DC charger. 2. Solar charging, 500 watt solar panels to 63 amp breaker to 12 volt 60 amp Bluetooth MPPT. 3rd, we have driving charging, 12 volt starting battery to 14.6 volt 40 amp DC/DC charger. Solar and driving charging combined provide 2,960 watt-hour daily. Next, we'll inspect the distribution network critical safety components to include 275 amp battery switch for power cutoff during long storage, multiple fuses for overload protection, 300 amp red positive bus bar, plus 300 amp black negative bus bar for efficient current transfer. 12 volt to 120 volt 3 kilowatt inverter powering all outlets. Back inside, next to the power switches, a 500 amp battery monitor displays real-time data, and the 110 volt switch controls AC loads, giving complete system visibility. This system supports 2 days of daily use, perfect for a weekend trip. Battery configuration can be customized as needed. In a world of constant noise, this mobile space offers something precious: the freedom to truly be where you are. LiTime's power system does more than just run appliances. It removes the worry of energy shortages. That means more time for what matters to you: watching landscapes, changing shape, sharing stories face to face, and remembering that real connection happens beyond screens. Some journeys are measured in miles, others in moments that stay with you forever. Make yours last. LiTime. Power your journey, sustain your soul.
Join the LiTime community on social media. More powerful content is coming your way.